again. We've been in this bed for a million nights, but you make it feel like the first time. Show me how to do what you like. I'ma make it feel like the first time. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, hi, it's Alessandra. Today I wanted to show you my real skin. Look, I have no makeup on and a little on the eyelashes, but that's about it. But I wanted to show you this skincare line that I've been using. I absolutely love it. It's called the Big Lil Starter Kit from Starface. The cutest, may I add. Starface is reinventing the way we care for acne-prone skin as the first complexion brand to combine efficiency and optimism. Starface is changing the conversation around acne. We're here to normalize and destigmatize. Acne's not all that bad. And I was somebody that had acne, no joke, since I was 8 years old. So I've come a long way with the acne. Right now, I am gonna admit that I am breaking out a little bit because it is about to be that time of the month. And it's completely normal because that's natural. So today I'm gonna show you my skincare routine that I would probably do at night. Here we go. One thing I'd like to mention is that Starface products are really good for all skin types, but especially for acne prone and reactive skin. I really do love that they're vegan and non-comedogenic. So this means you're safe to use while pregnant, nursing. It won't clog your pores. There's no sulfates, artificial dyes, parabens, and all that horrible stuff. So the first thing that I do is use this foaming facial cleanser. Basically what I'll do is I'll take my little washcloth that I use, wet it, and then I'll put a little, like about a dime size, on the washcloth, and then I'll gently rub my skin, wash it off, and then pat it dry. The good thing about this face wash, aka the foaming facial cleanser, this is also, like I said, plant-based, and it works morning, night, removes makeup, dirt, and oil, and it prevents future breakouts. Who doesn't want that? There's one ingredient that I love about this is the white willow bark, which helps to exfoliate the skin and really clean out the pores to prevent these future breakouts. Now that we're all done with washing our face, we're gonna go in with the moisturizer. You cannot forget this, even if you have oily skin, I don't care. You need to moisturize. You need to make sure your pH balance is balanced on your skin. So this is called Moisture on Mars. This isn't a heavy moisturizer, it's very light. And again, this is for all skin types. My favorite part about this product is that it does work to reduce the appearance of acne scars over time. So if you happen to be picking at your skin and you left a little mark aside, it will eventually fade it gradually. Not instantly, but gradually. One ingredient that helps do this is the sage leaf.
Even remember how they started out. Brought me to dinner at your mother's house. Kick me under the table when you stared at me. Invite me upstairs when your parents leave. You pull me close onto your bed sheets. Shut your eyes and lean in gently. Hold on, darling, let me stop you there. 'Cause I think we're better.
Lastly, my favorite step before bed is the stars. I love the stars. I've been using them for years. Basically, if you have a pimple, you put these on, you slap them on, and overnight they will suck out whatever's in the pimples and help them become less inflamed, and you wake up to smoother and better skin. They come in the cutest little smiley face package with a little mirror, and they have the little squares with all the stars. My favorite part about this is that they also just came out with a party pack. This is the party pack. And when you purchase these Hydro Stars, 100% of the profits go towards Black and LGBTQ+ organizations. So you're helping your skin and you're helping others. Sometimes Starface will even have special collaborations such as Hello Kitty. Lastly, my favorite part about these stars is that when you have a picking problem, which I used to have, they can scar you so bad, and once you put these on, it prevents you from picking. It's like a win-win situation. You look cute and so will your skin. Basically, we're all here to celebrate our real skin, our real natural skin, not a filter or just what you see online. So if you want to get your hands on this skincare routine and to look cute with some stars on your face, purchase the Little Big Starter Kit and all the other products at the link in the description box below. Okay guys, I'll see you guys later. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below your favorite part about the stars or how you'll be wearing your stars, and subscribe for more videos. Bye. Look at my star.